John Kelly here again at Ray Catena Mercedes-Benz of Edison, along with my usual friend,
Chuck Luciano, highlighting what? Another
special car
that has come to Ray Catena Mercedes of Edison.
Yeah, quite unique.
We all love the G-Wagons, hottest thing we have, but this takes it to another level.
It does. This is a 2022 G550. It's got a special package on it, Chuck, because it looks a little different. It's a professional package, right? So right off the bat, you notice the car is done in two-tone, matte finish, moonlight white, manufactured metallic with the black underguard.
All-terrain wheels, tires.
Quite different.
Professional package is an off-road package.
Off-road. That's why there's no running boards.
For professional off-road.
That's right.
And
so getting in here, you got to hop in. Look at that two-tone interior.
I love that interior.
Diamond stitched.
What is in the back? It's cherry wood.
Cherry wood,
right?
finished in the back.
Which is very unique.
You don't see that too often.
You also have that package.
Also, the rear spare tire here. It's a little different than our normal holder.
Yes, it is.
Because I could grab onto this.
Just like the ladder. It's another ladder.
Yeah. So you have that finished in cherry wood.
That's beautiful.
Perfect for tailgating, or when you're ready to go on that safari hunt.
That safari off-road trip.
Correct.
So my purpose here is not to talk about the car, it's to climb up the ladder.
All right, Chuck's getting ready.
You can see it works.
Any giraffes up there, Chuck?
No.
Elephants?
Nope.
Okay. Now that's something you thought you'd never see.
No.
On top of a G-Wagon.
Luggage or salesman, either way. We do it all here at Ray Catena Mercedes. John, where's the illuminated door sills?
So you don't have it here, Chuck. That's good pointing that out. Because, as you see, there's no running board. And our exhaust pipe is also raised up slightly. Because you could take this car through some mud and some water, in case you want to go fishing too. Park it in the middle of some water, climb up on top of that roof like you just did, throw the pole and do some fly fishing. So that's why they have that. So that way you're not burning out any electrics in the footwell there.
Well, we're about to go on a safari now. Anybody has any questions can certainly call Chuck Luciano or
call John
Kelly here, and we'll be happy to give you all the detailed information and more about this vehicle.
Absolutely, our pleasure.
Have a great day.